I'll give an overview of Whare Tapa Whā. It should really start by saying the purpose of it was to encourage people to develop well-being, not just fixing up a health problem, but becoming well in themselves. When I thought about these things, I thought that really what I've got to do is try and pull together four elements. I've got to pull together the mind, hinengaro. I've got to pull together the body so it doesn't get separated from the mind, tinana. That every person I see has got a whānau connection of one sort or another, so I had to see that as part of the solution. I had to try and look at much more of a spiritual experience that was wairua. So that's how it began to shape up. It wasn't that these were four separate elements, they were elements of the same thing. And the same thing is a sense of being well and healthy.